here, we're here. Teddy said, good evening, dear. I said hello, with no more fear. Doll said softly, how are you? I am fine, I proudly knew. Car went vroom, come let's play. Let's go together, I learned to say. Robot beeped, repeat with me. See, thank you, sorry, please. 1, 2, 3. Block said build and speak it loud. I can do it, I said so proud. Ball bounced high, catch and call. Throw it to me, I told my ball. Puzzle whispered, think and try. I can solve it, oh my my. All my toys began to sing. English is a magic thing. Morning came, toys quiet again, but I remembered every line, then see. Now I speak with joy and smile, learning English all the while. Toys can talk, can you hear? Learn with fun, no need to fear.
Hi! Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching!